First person on the moon, Neil Armstrong. Tattoo banned from country, South Korea. Richest company in the world, Apple. First rich man in the world, Mansa Musa. Most bad person in the history, Adolf Hitler. Weight loss booster, cucumber. First animated movies, Phantasmagorie, France. Blue jeans ban, North Korea. First website in the world, info.cern.ch. Most tallest people, Robert Wadlow. World total population, 8.1 billion. First television channel, BBC. Highest FIFA World Cup winner, Pele. Highest vitamin C fruit, kakadu palm. Largest online shop, Amazon. Number 1 YouTuber, Mr. Beast. Number 1 fishing country, China. Top most beautiful countries, Switzerland. Biggest sports event, FIFA World Cup. First singer in the world, Anne Hedona, Iraq.